Hello, students! Have you ever wondered who will become the topper in the future? The one who studies more or the one who studies smart? Today, a new revolution has already begun in the world, and that is artificial intelligence, or AI. And the student who learns to use AI today will be the one leading tomorrow. What is AI? AI is a technology that can think like humans, learn, and answer your questions. For example, you ask a question, AI gives an instant answer. Difficult chapter? Explained in simple language. Essay? Ready in a few seconds. That means AI is your 24/7 personal teacher. But remember, AI will not do your work. It will help you learn. Why should you start using AI today? Because in the future, almost every job will use AI. AI knowledge is very useful for college and competitive exams. Smart study equals less time plus better results. Students who are already using AI are already moving ahead, so don't stay behind. Best AI apps. ChatGPT. This app is your most powerful teacher. You can ask anything: math problems, science concepts, history explanations. Example: explain photosynthesis in simple language. It will explain everything in a very easy way. Google Gemini. This app is very useful for research and projects. Perfect for school projects, speeches, debates. Best for getting the latest information. Grammarly. If your English is weak, this app is a must. Correct grammar while writing essays, fixes spelling mistakes, improves your writing. Very helpful in exams. Notion AI. This app is your study planner. Create notes, make timetables, plan revisions. A fully organized study system. SATHEE. This is an India-specific platform. JEE and NEET preparation. Free lectures, AI-based learning. Government supported, so it is safe and reliable. Indus AI. This is specially designed for Indian languages. Helps you learn in Hindi, Marathi, and other languages. Very useful for regional students. One important thing: do not use AI as a shortcut. Don't copy homework. Don't rely on direct answers. First, try yourself. Then, learn with AI. AI is your teacher, not your replacement. From today, take a small decision. Study with AI for just 10 minutes daily, and see your confidence, knowledge, and marks will all improve. Tomorrow, you won't just be a student, you will become an AI smart student. If you liked this video, like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.